Troy Rosario is a Filipino professional basketball player for the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel of the Philippine Basketball Association. Rosario played for 2 years at Technological Institute of the Philippines. He left TIP to focus on his stint for the RP youth team then coached by NU Bulldogs coach Eric Altamirano. On November 25, 2024, Rosario signed a 3-year contract with the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. On September 19, 2022, Rosario was traded to the Blackwater Bossing in a 3-team trade involving Blackwater, TNT and NLEX Road Warriors. On October 3, 2024, Rosario became a free agent after his contract expired. Rosario was drafted 2nd overall by the Mahindra Enforcer in the 2015 PBA draft. 2 days later, the Enforcer shipped his rights to the Talk and Text Tropang Texters via a complicated 3-team which also involved TNT sisters team NLEX Road Warriors. On August 27, 2015, both he and #1pick Moala Tatua signed maximum 3-year rookie contracts with the Talk and Text Tropang Texters worth $8.5 million. Rosario played for 2 years at Technological Institute of the Philippines. He left TIP to focus on his stint for the RP youth team then coached by NU Bulldogs coach Eric Altamirano. Then he switched for the NU Bulldogs after transferring from TIP. In his final season with the Bulldogs, he averaged 12.3 points and 8.6 rebounds per game as his team made history by winning their first championship since 1954.